Welcome back to our Microsoft Project Desktop app series. In this video, we'll walk through how to create and save a new blank project and add a couple of simple tasks to get started. First, open Microsoft Project on your computer. When the Start screen appears, click Blank Project to open a new file. In the Task Name column, type Task 1 in the first row and Task 2 in the next. These will represent two sample activities in your schedule. Next, in the duration column, enter 1 week for Task 1 and 1 week for Task 2. Microsoft Project will automatically calculate the task bars in the Gantt chart on the right. Now, assign your dates. Set the start date for Task 1 to the beginning of this week. The finish date will automatically update to the end of the week. Then set Task 2's start date to the beginning of next week, and Project will again calculate the finish date automatically. You'll notice the Gantt chart instantly updates to reflect your new schedule. Next, let's create a milestone. Click the milestone icon under the task banner. A new milestone will appear in your task list. Double-click the milestone cell and name it Milestone 1. A pop-up window will appear. Enter the start and finish dates, then click OK. And just like that, your milestone is added to the project, and you'll see it reflected in the Gantt chart. Continue building out the project timeline as needed. Add in details such as the resource names. Double-click on tasks to add in more details as needed, and fill out details such as % complete or add in notes. Complete the steps above for all of the remaining tasks and milestones until the project timeline has been completed. Finally, save project by clicking File, then click Save As, update sections as needed, and then click Save. Thank you for watching the Creating and Saving a New Blank Project in Microsoft Project by Percepta. See you next time.